side by side with a Russian oligarch. Cutting a ribbon for a new arena. Unimaginable. Yes, my father came from Russia at age 20, but that was the closest I'd ever gotten to Russia. And my dad only had a fourth grade education. He was 5'3", better educated, more athletic, and to say the least, a lot taller. Along comes Mikhail Prokhorov. And as I said, I cannot imagine a better partner and a better owner, the best owner in the NBA. We were formally introduced in Russia. We saw each other, we said hello, and right away we knew we had a deal. He has a great team. Dmitry Razumov, Chris Charlier, Rina Pavlova. The best partners I could possibly imagine. And so I'd like to introduce my partner, Mikhail Prokhorov.
Ladies and gentlemen, for me it's a great honor to be here with you today. Not everyone in their lifetime gets to witness a project that changes the face and the destiny of the city. Maybe those who were at the opening of the Brooklyn Bridge, they could say, we saw a symbol being born. And I do believe that we are all the lucky witnesses to such an event. Because Barclays Center Arena is so much more just a building. It will be the place where everything is happening and everyone is welcome. If you are from Brooklyn or Manhattan, from Miami or Moscow, Barclays Center will be the heart of the Brooklyn borough. And speaking of heart, let me tell you a few words about real hero of this day. It's my partner, Bruce Pratman. This man had, he would never be out of his dream. And frankly speaking, when we became partners 2 years ago, he showed me a big hole in the ground. And it was to me a little bit difficult to envision what would become out of it all. But he did envision. And personally, I think that Russians are really tough. But Bruce showed me one or two things about commitment and faith. And this is my best partner in my life. So, and I do believe that in years to come, we'll look back to this day and we'll say it was a day for Brooklyn. And I'm so happy to be a part of it. And I look forward to seeing all of you for the opening game of the Brooklyn Nets here on November the 1st. And I assure you, we're bringing a team worthy of this great arena and this great borough of Brooklyn. Thank you.